Cloud Computing by Arran Hamilton. Okay, so many people may ask, what is cloud computing? So this video will explain it. So cloud computing is when remote servers on the internet are used to store, process and manage information and applications remotely instead of being held on an individual computer. So what can cloud computing do? Cloud computing offers many different apps and can be used for lots of different things. For example, a main one that is used a lot would be the email. Here is an example of the Google email, and as you can see it says you can have 25 gig of online storage for your emails and also offline support. The offline support is very helpful for when you want to access your emails but you're not currently connected to the internet. If you've already received the email, you can still access it on your phone or any other device that has a data connection. It's also used for text, voice and video chats, and you can share documents through emails. One of the most popular apps in cloud computing is the SkyDrive. Now the SkyDrive allows you to save any documents you have to the cloud, so the document is stored remotely away from your computer, so it can be used for backup, and you can access it on any device, so any PC, Mac or mobile device if you have connection to the internet, and it allows you to open them from anywhere you like. Now another feature that is good is that you can share your files and folders with other people at the same time, so it may allow you to all work on the same project at one time. So if you all have the same document open, you will all be able to work on it at the same time and edit it. Also, the SkyDrives usually start at around 5 gig of data, which should be enough for most personal use. However, some providers now allow up to 16 terabytes worth of data to be stored on the cloud, so that should be more than enough for people to store everything they need to online. So what is needed for a successful cloud computing provider? One of the most important features of cloud computing is the security. Now, many people don't want other people to be able to see their documents and files, and with most cloud computing providers, they have many critical security features that keep your data safe and under your own control. That means you decide who can see your data, who can see your files and folders. Another exciting feature about cloud computing is the way that documents are shared between multiple devices. So when your work is saved to the cloud, you'll instantly have access to the documents you've saved from your other devices. So for example, if you've just wrote a piece of work on your laptop and you need to leave the office, when you leave the office, if you've got Wi-Fi for your tablet PC or your mobile phone, you can then access the documents you've used and read, edit them and then save them again from the cloud, allowing you to work on the move and whenever you want. Cloud computing can also be used to reduce the cost of your personal expenses and also the impact that you have on the environment. For example, Google's Go Green initiative uses energy efficient data centers, and it's a lot less energy and carbon intensive than other on-premises servers. And as you can see here, this is a quote by Diversey, and it says, "Google apps surpassed our expectations by allowing it to eliminate 10 servers and its archives from the data center, thereby reducing our carbon footprint by 73 metric tons of carbon dioxide a year." So as you can see, this will overall have a huge impact on the environment around us, which is becoming increasingly important. So in conclusion, I believe cloud computing is an extremely useful tool that will become more and more used in the future due to its flexibility and its automatic software updates, which are always provided by the supplier. They do all the service maintenance, including security updates, which means you don't have to worry about doing any of that yourself. It's also extremely useful due to the amount of control you have over your documents and the way that you can work from anywhere with an internet connection and access your files and folders from mobile, tablet PC, laptop and desktops, and also the ability to be able to collaborate on projects with other people in real time is extremely useful.